Friends, learning goals of current lecture are introduction, properties, and applications of ultrasonic waves. So first of all, let us see the introduction about the ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves are nothing but the sound waves which are having the frequency greater than 20 kilohertz. They are known as ultrasonic waves as well as ultrasound also. Okay. So as we know that the as we know that the audible wave are having the frequency greater than 20 hertz and frequency less than 20 kilohertz. While the ultrasonic waves, as I have explained over here, it has the frequency which is greater than 20 kilohertz. That means the ultrasonic waves are having frequency greater than 20 kilohertz or audible waves. That's why this sound is inaudible to human ear. The ultrasonic wave are having larger frequency. That means they have shorter wavelength. So these ultrasonic waves are having shorter wavelength due to that they have higher or greater penetration power amongst any media, whether it is liquid or solid. Due to this property, ultrasonic waves are widely being used in various medical diagnostics, marine applications, as well as NDT, that stands for non-destructive testing. So first of all, let us see the properties, various properties of ultrasonic waves. There are 8 different properties of ultrasonic waves. The first property is they are having the frequency greater than 20 kilohertz. Due to that high frequency, as we know, the equation that is E is equal to H into nu. Nu is the frequency. So that's why due to high frequency, they have high energy content. Here, the ultrasonic wave have high energy content. And due to high frequency, they have a smaller wavelength. So due to smaller wavelength, they have higher penetration power as we saw earlier. Now, this ultrasonic wave can travel over a long distance as a highly directional beam. That means if the normal sound is having widespread, as it propagates normal sound, in case of normal sound, as the sound propagates, it will get spread out easily in all the directions, while the ultrasound can travel up to a longer distance as a highly directional beam. It spreads less than normal audible sound. The speed of propagation of ultrasound increases with increase in the frequency. That means the frequency of ultrasound is greater than 20 kilohertz. But as the frequency is more, its speed will be more. The sixth property is just like the ordinary sound wave, that means audible wave. They get reflected as well as absorbed by various surfaces or medium. Ultrasound can produce the heat when they passes through a medium or substance. Therefore, if an arrangement is made in a liquid to form a stationary ultrasonic wave, it can act as a diffraction grating that has a special application that we will see in the further lectures. Now, this arrangement is called acoustic grating because this grating is developed using sound wave. That's why it is known as acoustical grating. Now, let us see the applications of ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic wave have a wide applications in various fields. So first of all, let us see the different applications of ultrasonic wave in science and engineering field. The first application is it is being used to detect the flaws or cracks in metals. So in industries, it is being used for NDT, non-destructive testing. As you can see over here, there is some mechanical object. And in order to detect the flow or crack in the object, this is the ultrasonic transducer. The transducer is being attached with the object under testing, and using this ultrasonic transducer we can find if any crack or flow or bubble or any other defect or impurity is present inside the material without breaking the material. Generally, if we want to know if there is a crack or any other defect or impurity is present inside an object, we need to break the object. But using this ultrasonic wave, we can find those impurity or defect without breaking the object. That's why it is known as non-destructive testing. The second application is it is used to detect ship, submarine, iceberg, etc. in ocean. This particular technique is known as sonar. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. SONAR, sound navigation and ranging. Now, friends, you must have seen several this kind of mechanism in some movies or news or somewhere. So this is a screen of sonar. Radar is also having same kind of screen. So some students may answer yes, no sir, this is radar. Okay, no problem. Radar as well as sonar both are having the same kind of screen, but radar is being used on earth or on land, while the sonar is being used in ocean. Now, how this can detect the ship, submarine, iceberg, etc. So, generally, whatever the ship is equipped with a sonar equipment that emits the ultrasound, and that ultrasound gets reflected by some foreign object, like here it is a submarine. So, that is being detected by detector of the ship, and that is being identified. As you can see, three dots over here, three dots over here. See, three dots, three dots. So, using this thing, the reflected sound is detected, and you can detect the various objects like ship, submarine, iceberg, etc. So, that is the second application of ultrasound. The third application is it is being used, so ultrasound is being used for soldering various materials like aluminum coil capacitors, aluminum wires and plates without using any flux. Generally, friends, we know that in order to solder a material, we need to use flux. But in case of ultrasound, you can connect or weld various types of materials without using any flux. So here you can see that when ultrasound is applied to an object, this is the ultrasonic transducer. When it is applied to two different materials, it will create large amount of heat. It will get vibrate with frequency more than 20 kilohertz, and it creates a large amount of heat. Due to that, the material gets connected with each other and it gets soldered. Now the fourth application is it is being used to weld some metals which cannot be welded by electronic or gas welding. Okay. Here you can see that you can weld or cut. Same way you can weld the several metals also by creating the heat. Now the fifth application is it is being used for cutting and drilling the holes in metal. You can see over here when ultrasonic transducer comes in a contact with some surface, it will create large amount of heat. By using that heat, we can cut the material also, we can drill the holes through the metals also. Now the same thing is observed over here. This is ultrasonic knife, and using this an object can be cut very easily. You can see another application using the ultrasonic knife. You can cut various objects. Suppose the braid is very soft object and it is very much difficult to cut in a very small slices using normal knife. But in case of ultrasonic knife, you can cut this kind of smooth object also with a very less effort and with fine accuracy. Okay, now the sixth application is the ultrasound is used to form a stable emulsion. If we want to dissolve some material into some liquid, then you can create a stable emulsion or even immiscible liquid like water and oil. We know that when we mix the water and oil, due to less density, oil will get float on water, and these two materials are immiscible. They cannot match with each other, so they will get remain separated. Another example is water and mercury. But if you want to create a stable emulsion, at that time ultrasonic waves are being used. You can see it creates a large amount of vibration, and due to that material gets mixed with each other even if they are immiscible liquids. The seventh application is it acts like a catalytic agent and accelerate the chemical reaction, as you can mix several kind of material with each other, several kind of liquids with each other. So it can create, it can faster or accelerate the rate of chemical reactions. So there are total seven applications I have explained over here in the field of science and engineering for the ultrasound. There are several medical applications also there. The first application is the ultrasound is used to remove the kidney stones and brain tumor without shedding any blood. So it is being used as a bloodless surgery. As you can see that a person is there, an ultrasonic machine is there. Using that ultrasound, when hits on the kidney stone will get breakout. And for that you need not to make any cut. So you can make an surgery without shedding any blood. Okay. Now the second application is it is used to remove the broken teeth. In the same way, you can remove the broken teeth by using ultrasonic waves. The ultrasonic waves are used for sterilizing the milks and kill the bacteria, as it can create the large amount of high frequency vibration. So ultrasonic wave when being passed through the milk, it sterilizes milk by killing the bacteria. Ultrasonic wave is used to study the blood flow velocity in blood vessel of our body, as the ultrasonic wave are getting reflected by various media, so it can sense the flow of blood by using some difficult or I mean some kind of mechanism. So ultimately we can study the flow of blood in our vessels. Okay. Fifth application, the ultrasound or ultrasonic wave is being used as a diagnostic tool which is known as sonography. Here you can see that it is a sonographic GIF of sonography. So it is a diagnostic tool to detect different kinds of tumors, breast cancer, also the growth of fetus. So this kind of study, medical study, can be done using ultrasound. So there are different 5 applications of ultrasound in medicine. So in that way, we studied in this lecture introduction to ultrasound, various properties of ultrasound, and various applications of ultrasound. Thank you.